So I was going to film the setup of this, but actually there's no point because it's so easy. So all I did when I switched it on, I got this screen. It gave me an option to connect to Bluetooth, which I've connected Bluetooth on my phone, which connected in seconds. And then you got these options. So DVR, well, that's your dash cam. So as you can see, that's the view outside, and you can move that around. There's a camera on the back of the screen and it's movable, so you can adjust it, because obviously I'm going to want this aiming at me a little bit in my motorhome, and the dash cam points at a different angle, so you can sort that however you want, which is one of my concerns when I bought it, but that's easy. So on the home button you've got these different options. Press on Apple CarPlay and you've got all the stuff that you're used to with Apple CarPlay, so Spotify, mapping, all the apps. So remember, there are only some apps that work with CarPlay, so make sure you get the apps that you want, and it's just brilliant. I'm so impressed with it. I've got the audio output on auxiliary, so that's playing with a cable going down through here, and that all just works. It's awesome. Well happy.